Did you know that the pineapple is an aggregate fruit? An aggregate or multiple fruit is formed from a cluster of flowers called an inflorescence. A pineapple inflorescence grows out of the center of the plant, where 100 to 200 flowers fuse together to create the fruit. Here we see the various stages of flowering. The ripe pineapple has a leathery, inedible crust with square eyes. These eyes are what are left of the individual flowers. At the Dole farm in Molle, Costa Rica, flowering is induced by applying ethylene, a naturally occurring gas emitted by ripening fruit. Using ethylene ensures that our fields ripen uniformly and can be harvested all at once. It takes time, knowledge, and patience to grow a pineapple crop. Much of the process cannot be automated and is done by hand. Starting with the right conditions is an important first step. Pineapples grow best in sandy, loamy soil and do well in regions with a high percentage of sunny days, with temperatures ranging from 65 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature range is too cool, the pineapples taste sour. If the range is too hot, they taste too sweet. Dole pineapples are produced in some of the world's finest growing areas, and our farms are integrated into the local environment, like the Molle farm, where both conventionally grown and organic pineapples are cultivated. The first step in planting a new pineapple field is to grow new plants from older mother plants. There are two primary methods of pineapple regeneration: suckers and slips. Suckers are shoots that grow from the base of the plant, while slips grow on the stem of the fruit. Gathering this new generation of plants is known as seed selection. 75% of our seed selection is done using suckers from previously harvested pineapple plants. First, the long leaves of the harvested mother plants are cut off, which encourages the young suckers to grow freely and allows them to be removed easily. When the suckers are harvested, experienced farm workers determine their quality. Only suckers that meet our strict standards are used to produce the next generation of Dole pineapples. Quality control inspections ensure suckers are the correct weight. They are segregated by size so that new fields are planted with uniform materials and the plants all develop at the same rate. This new field must be properly prepared, following several specific steps. First, old plants that have already been harvested must make way for the new plants. The old plants are trimmed and a microorganism is applied, allowing the plants to decompose faster. A shredder further breaks down the old plant material, after which a disc harrow plows the field to break up the soil. This is followed by deep plowing and finally bed preparation. A well-designed drainage system is an essential good management practice. To reduce erosion and capture soil after heavy rains, we use natural materials like bamboo and pineapple plants in our drainage systems. Our experienced Dole workers plant each sucker by hand, using a specialized spade-like tool. A skilled worker can plant 5,000 to 6,000 pineapple plants a day, nearly a quarter of an acre. 14 to 17 acres are planted on this farm every week. Pineapple plants must be fertilized regularly. This is done using a boom sprayer that applies fertilizer directly to the leaves, where most nutrients are absorbed. Pineapple plants are perfectly designed to collect water. The leafy crown directs rainwater and nutrients to the center of the plant. These thriving young plants now need lots of sun and time. Depending on the growing region, it can take 13 to 16 months for each plant to produce a mature pineapple. But the wait is worth it, transforming months of effort into a sweet, nutritious treat.